first graders, it's Mrs. Misak, and as promised, I'm going to give you an update on the baby chicks. So they don't really look like babies anymore. They're getting much bigger very fast. Even some of their feathers look like they're changing colors a little bit. They're getting a little bit lighter. Their feathers, not them. They're actually growing a lot, and they're all looking at the camera. Isn't that funny? Except those two. You just saw one of them fly a little bit. They are making little jumps and flying. We actually had to put like some crate above it so that they can't get out. They have some new straw stuff that is in their bin. And they're still eating the chick food until they get a little bit bigger, and then we'll be able to give them chicken food. Let me see if one of them will let me catch them. So here's one of the chicks. You can see the feathers are not all black anymore. Their feet are getting very big. Look at those claws. So their necks are really long, aren't they? So as you can see, they're growing. They're getting louder. Yeah. So maybe by next week they'll be even bigger, and it'll be harder to hold them, I'm sure, because they're going to get too big. But there it is. So I'll see you all later.